1. QMS hardware introduction. Use key to open the back side of the ticket dispenser. Then we can see inside communication controller, CPU, printer, LCD displayer, etc. We can also find the power switch, audio connector, RJ45 sockets, including network connector and RS485 bus unit connector. Manipulator, for calling the customer's ticket number who are waiting for their service. Opinion controller, for customer appraising workers' service attitude. Counter displayer, for showing the core ticket number and advert message, with different specification for choosing. LED main displayer, for showing the core ticket number on several counter and advert message. Assembly tools and accessories, cable pliers, junction box, CAT5 network cable, RJ45 linker, wire connecting tools, cutting pliers, wire strippers, line tester. Two, QMS hardware setup. Making QMS signal cable. Junction box cable connecting. Signal bus master setup. One bus bar connects with OR connector display and main display. The other bus bar connects with the manipulator and opinion controller. Remarks: be sure to put the signal cable far away from strong electricity, avoiding interruption. Setup counter display. Set up bits on every counter according to the counter number. Set up main display. Set up in the waiting area. Set up opinion controller. Set up evaluating machine. Set up plasma display or LCD display. You need a computer to control the display if you want to use LCD or plasma display instead of ordinary LED display. After connecting the computer with the Q machine well, using PING to examine OK, then set up the plasma or LCD display on Q computer. Set up QPlay in computer and run QPlay. For first use, require password to activate QPlay. Input the password and press Activate. Then the computer will show the Q Multimedia Play software interface. Three. QMS software testing. 1. Open Q Management System interface. System default user account admin with no password. 2. Communication setup. Open the communication setup dialog box. 3. System option. Choose the right option according to the customer's requirement. 4. Voice setup. Choose the language and the language priority according to the requirement. 5. Number range setup. Number range is the number sequence of each service. Open the number range setup window. You can use new add, edit, or delete to control the number. 6. Service item setup. Open the ticket getting interface. A. Service item. You can choose one or several service items to change them into your required service item name. Service period of time. The period of time is that customer can get their ticket to be served. Not in the period of time, system will automatically pause the service item. Timing close service. Service institution will stop the service item in a specified period of time. Assigning number range. Assign a sequential number to one service item. For example, assign a sequential number for 1001 to 2000 to integrated service. When the queuing number is up to 2000, next number will restart from 1001. The limiting quantity of ticket getting per day. When the people handling the service item is up to the limiting quantity, system will stop getting the service ticket. Grading. Grading is the auxiliary reticle used to design the interface of ticket getting. The background image of ticket getting interface. Change enterprise logo. Modify title. Choose the title picture and words, then adjust their position. Modify scroll advert bar. Modify service item button. You can select to use one button or disuse one. You only need the relevant button number or click the relevant service item button. In the button available, hit click or remove click. At the same time, you can also assign one service item to the button and write a text for the button. There are two ways to line the service item button. One is by dragging the mouse to choose several service item buttons, and press right key to choose one alignment mode. The other one is to use right key to drag the button directly. Time label. Select one time format and change the label fonts, color, position, background according to your requirement. Print page setup. The system can support two types of print style: default print style and print style. And the design mode is what you see is really what you can get to print. Click Print Page Setup on toolbar. Modify label content and font. Move label position.